alphabets A, B, C, numbers 1, 2, 3, day of week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, colors, black, blue, brown, rhyme, Baba, black sheep, have you any woe?
Assalamu alaikum, Sameer Soga with you. When I'm not doing any project or I'm waiting for components for a project, I generally hunt the internet for ideas. This is when I came across a tweet from Jiri Praus about a project he made called a Kids Wooden Radio. I liked the idea and how simple it was, so I wanted to make it for my son. He's growing up and he needs to learn a lot of things. I call it Toddler Tutor. This is that. With this, he can learn alphabets, numbers, rhymes, colors, day of week, etc. Each button represents one element of learning. The green button is used for play next. Let's head to the desk and open it up and see how it works. My focus was on the utility of the project rather than looks. That's why I made this project using Google AI Voice Kit cardboard box. Also, these two arcade buttons which are bigger are from that kit. And the speaker inside is also from that kit. Let's open it up. So the brain of this project is an Arduino UNO. All the arcade buttons are connected as input to the UNO. The input is internal pull-ups, so I don't have to use external resistors. These are illuminated buttons, so there is LED inside each. And in order to turn it on, they are acting as output on the UNO. And since the LEDs are 5V compliant, I don't have to add any resistor or circuit. All the ground is tied together and connected to the Arduino UNO. The voice of this project is this DF mini player board. It has an SD card which contains the audio files. And using the Arduino UNO serial communication, you can command the DF mini player to play a certain audio file. The SD card contains folders with 01, 02, 03 naming scheme, and each folder represents one button on the project, and each folder contains file 001, 002, 003. So let's say if folder 01 is for alphabets, so 001 will be A, 002 will be B, 003 will be C, and so on. The TX of the Arduino UNO goes to the RX via a 1K resistor, as without it there is disturbance on the audio. This board is powered by 5V from the Arduino UNO. The output of the DF mini player board is a 3W 4 ohm speaker, which again is from the AI voice kit. The maximum wattage of speaker the board supports is 3W. I made custom holes in the board for the speaker. The project is powered by a 9V battery, and it goes into the VIN via this toggle switch, which you can see here, to turn on or off the project. I intend to add more buttons in the future for adding more learning parameters, and one more button if the audio needs to be repeated. Let's say it's a nursery rhyme and the kid wants to play a certain nursery rhyme again and again, he can press the repeat button. The code for this project is linked in the video description and is based heavily on Jiri Praus code. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.